Bring out your dad! Bring out your dad!
Last night, there was an attempted murder in Victoria Harbour. I told ya. Two people got shot last night down here. It was weird. And Dale's mom got punched out by some dude that broke into their house. We're just about to eat dinner, and then we're gonna get really, really stoned. Like usual. Not much has been going on. Same basic routine every day. We're gonna light up a big doobie now. Too bad you're not here to share it, but, you know, that's the way things go. So we're just gonna have to smoke it in front of you. Sorry, dude.
Screaming inside, the gentle town cries. Ghosts, serpents, and ancients rise to your mind. We live to die, we live to die, we live to die. You've got nothing to lose but your soul to the devil. You've got nothing to lose today. You've got nothing to lose tomorrow. You've got nothing to lose but your soul to the devil. If you guys leave now, you can never return alive. Damn the government for holding me down. Don't you know I want to rise to the sun? Stop holding me down. I want to rise to the sun.
Yeah, that's it.
We are a creation of God, but we are a part of God at the same time. And whereas our physical bodies are made up of energy, but an energy containing substance and mass, and we have an aura of energy as well, which is also a part of God. And when we realize this, I think if we realize this to the fullest extent and become totally aware and totally become one, with all energies surrounding us, then we would turn into pure energy, just like Don 1.
Psychokinetics, baby. It can do a lot.
Was in time. Take that TV and smash it through the window. The window, smash the TV through the window. It's boozing time. Take the guitar, smash it over the radiator. It's boozing time. Boozing time. It's boozing time. Boozing time. Boozing time.
The nocturnal day brings us to palaces pillared on ale, as we navigate through the crowds with tools of the groin, twisting freeform like writhing snakes, tongues hissing out thoughts the audience keeps imprisoned. I stare envious and afraid, falsely revered as today's shamans while we speak of knowledge well known to them. But forbid they break free from the obvious distractions of the social realm. To step out openly would leave them undeniably honest, causing their prescribed futures to be no longer certain.
Bang, bang, here comes a shootout. Here comes the gun. Bang, bang, here comes a shootout. I got the loot. Bang, bang, here comes a shootout. Johnny's been hit. Here comes a shootout.
We might take a look at the kitchen, but it's kind of filthy, and the bathroom's even worse, so I don't know if...
I like cold food. I like cold food. I like cold food because it goes down slow. I like down cold that's full of no.
My name's Jim Joe Bob. This is the band. Me, Jim Joe Bob, and Jesse the McCluster Cluser. We're gonna sing to you about smashing TVs, smashing your radios, smashing your guitars, smash everything. You need nothing, nothing, nothing. I tell you nothing. You need nothing, nothing, nothing. Throw it all away, throw it all away. It means nothing. You only need yourself and a friend. Everyone, take hands, follow each other through the desert. Hold your hands together and walk through the desert. Walk until you meet water. Take a drink of the water. And listen to the sound of the water running through your body, running all through your veins. Listen to it, and you'll feel plenished. You will see the light then. You'll be totally dehydrated, you're about to die, and then you take that sip of water and you're rejuvenated. That's what life's all about. That's what you have to do every day. Every day, I tell you. You gotta live life to the fullest. Go to those extreme expectations. Throw your TVs out. Throw everything out. You need none of those possession material things. One pair of clothing, one pair of underwear, that's all you need. Throw them in the river. Wash them when they're dirty. That's all you need. Everyone, take their hands. Walk through the desert. Walk. Just keep on walking. Bring some dried meat along. Who cares? Whatever you do. Bring along something. Walk through the desert. Walk until your feet are burning. Walk. Just walk across the desert. If you could swim 1,000,000 miles, would you? If you could swim under the ocean to its furthest depths, would you find Atlantis? I hope so. I hope someone finds Atlantis. 'Cause I want to go there. the home of the gods, Atlantis. If you took a look at every living thing on Earth, right through it, right through each molecule, right through to everything else, you will find a whole new universe. Another solar system within each molecule. Each atom is its own solar system. We're all made up of solar systems, and we're just one. As our world as a whole is just one small, insignificant solar system within a larger picture. Larger, so large we couldn't even imagine. Who knows, this planet could be the makings of a dust bunny being swept around. We could be the makings of someone's fingernail. That's all. We could be anything. We could be a part of a table. Who knows what we are? We're nothing. And we're gonna destroy ourselves by polluting this earth. We're destroying ourselves, and we're gonna try and move on to another planet. Try and live there. But we won't succeed, because we're meant to be here. We gotta stop raping the earth. We gotta stop it. We gotta pull it together. We have to live on our own. Stop making all this material possessions, raping everything, pillaging everything. You can make everything you need out of hemp. We've got plastic shoes and we've got plastic laces. We've got plastic faces. We've got plastic leathers. We've got plastic halos. We've got plastic personalities. We got plastic lips too.
So here's the kitchen, which it's actually probably at one of its best states that it's been in a very long time. But as you'll notice, this is the big difference here. We actually have some food items this time. Like you know, usually it's pretty bare. Like,
How am I supposed to eat my spaghetti?
Night turns and rolls in spin, oral extraction to end it in hope, pleading for unconsciousness curled around the porcelain depository, while urination occurs above my poisoned body that lies liquid amongst the floor, while death stood close.
and I didn't even punch him, but I walked straight into school, and I fucking bashed the fucking metal door and busted my hand, and fucking I swore I said.
In loving gaze I envision pleasantries yet to pass. In your hold I am empowered and fair. In our time I am a child with an ancient mind. In your eyes I see soul soaring, love exuding. In our silence, emotion speaks.
My name is Commodore. I came from Massachusetts, Mexico. We used to clean water. Right now we have yellow clouds. I sold my dada for a quart of milk. And drink milk. She took the offer and she took the candy sauce. While for slogan.
Plutonium flush toilets. In deep ancient soils fill Indian spirits, grows new plantations. We eat its cancers, scream angry obsessions at fellow men, concerned of the almighty dollar. Scholars teach the young to deafen their ears. Screams and cries unheard keep their eyes turned from those horrors. Such illness and disease. How much is the cure? The disease was free.
Vibrations of the sun. Carry me, vibrations of the sun.
Yeah, anytime you touch anything in this kitchen, follow my hand. Anytime you touch anything in this kitchen, you might want to wipe your hands off each time because you could get some weird stuff in your body.
Good tip. We're over by the fireplace right now. We're just about to throw some wood in while we're puffing this big, huge joint. So how's your night so far? We're having a grand old time over here in the shack.
Sickly chatterbrain. Late night, where to park my home wonders. Upon side streets or amongst the many in factory lots. 24-hour coffee house, pondering life o' mine. So many streets to drive and corners to decide. Pounding heart can deceive as much as one's own mind. Some would say I'm the crazy cat that works in the daylight. When I think them blind and carry small bags of veneers to hide their shaded souls from open eyes. For the blind cannot see others blind. Oh, I know not what I speak, but of my own mind. If it were more articulate than I, maybe you could fathom its concise, immaculate imagery, however ill you seem it to be.
Butter and cigarettes. Why do we need milk, bread, and cigarettes? I've got no job. I've got no sanity. I've got no woman, and no money. At least I got a place to stay.
The day it all came apart was the day of my birth. Curious eyes awoke first time to mostly white. Color tells us of who we should like. Now sound is no longer gentle vibrations, but forever deafening my ears. Food no longer nutrition filling the tummy. Likes and dislikes taste won't eat it. All thought brought forth is of men long since dead. Life was better as a fetus.
We need mushrooms. We need mushrooms to survive. Mushrooms are the source of all eternity.
Great. This is what they call a roach clip. This was actually given to me by a chick this summer. Her name was Chris. She's pretty cool, but she's a little young. But she gave me this as a present. It was pretty groovy of her. I use it every time I smoke a joint.
Tin can morning, steel box, winter chill, restless sleep, too cold on jeans, denim blue like fingertips. Shiver, jaw chatter, while shaking hand turns ignition. Drive downtown to coffee and eggs. In warmth, an hour now, still deep inner chill. My mind hates the cold. It's worse than loneliness. I fear to shed but one tear, for Jack might freeze the lake upon my face. Then death comes surely.
Got my paper back in New Orleans. I'll pick her up, I got a truck and a pocket full of green. I'm gonna take her to the show, or maybe yet I'll forget her. I just don't know. I go to pick her back up in my 16-wheel pickup truck. I'm going home, I'm going back on the road again. baby back in New Orleans. Got a bucket full of green. Send a postcard, baby. Got my truck in. Don't know. Sick of them myself. I just don't know. Got my baby back in New Orleans. Got my baby back in New Orleans. I got my baby back in New Orleans. Gonna pick her up, going back town, sit her down back to I got my baby back in New Orleans. Got a drum, pick her up, and a bucket full of green.
Alright, so as I was saying, yeah, this is some of the stuff isn't just words of wisdom, some of it's just sarcasm. If you know what that is, you know.
Answer me. Oh, we've got
As you can see, we actually have food in the freezer. It's amazing. Usually we have no food. We did have a big bag of ice in there for a while though, because Will Pottage came over with the alcohol.
And I said a light is shining bright all over me. And I see that you are watching over me, my love, my love, sitting in the evening sun.
So what'd you think? It's pretty good, eh?
And she's gone.